welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing a closet clean out. I haven't done one of these in months, so it is so needed. Actually, I'm going to sit you guys down. My closet might just be the worst it's ever been, or maybe it's just like bothering me more than it usually does. It's like hard to even find something to wear because I'm like sorting through all this stuff that I don't even wear. I also just kind of have piles of clothes everywhere. I feel like it has just honestly gotten to a point where it's bad. It is time for a good closet clean out, and I really do think this is going to be the best one. I just really feel like there's a lot of stuff I don't wear that I'm ready to let go of. I feel like I do kind of attach sentimental value to clothes. The memories and stuff are separate than the clothes. Like, they're just clothes. It's just fabric. Somebody else could be wearing them. Somebody else could be enjoying them. I'm clearly not, so they need to go. And the clutter is stressing me out. I think I'm really ready to let it go. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I have a lot of exciting videos coming up for the holiday season and the new year. Check out some other videos on my channel. It'd mean a lot. Definitely thumbs up if you like closet clean out videos and you'd like to see some more on my channel. Comment below your best closet cleaning tip, or just kind of like cleaning tip in general, motivational tip, productivity tip, because I could definitely use it in my next closet clean out. I'll go through the comments. And let's just go ahead and get into this closet clean out. My battery died, but I just wanted to say as a disclaimer to please be kind in the comments. Last closet clean out, I had a lot of mean and negative comments. When you get an overwhelming amount of negative comments and you're just reading through them and there's like not any positivity and it's just all negative, 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 and everybody is agreeing with the negativity about you. Personally, it is really hard to read those. If something bothers you about me or about my clothes or about how many clothes I have or about how I'm cleaning out my closet, please say it in a nice, constructive way. Think about how you would feel if somebody said that to you. I just wanted to say that as a quick disclaimer. And with that being said, let's just clean up my closet. So there's a few different areas that I want to clean out. The first area that I kind of have clothes and want to clean out would be my little clothing rack. So as you can see, it's very stuffed. I take advantage of anywhere that I can store clothes, honestly. I even have a little bit of bags on here as well. This is honestly not that bad at all. Usually it is like stacked up to here. It's like a tower, but I actually kind of cleaned it the other day. I don't think I'll be getting rid of any of this actually because it's pretty new things that I just recently purchased, but I just don't have anywhere to actually put them. So hopefully we can find a place for them. Next is my dresser. So obviously I have some clothes in here. Nothing too crazy. It's actually pretty organized, but there might be a few things that I can find to get rid of. Mostly I have like sweats, loungewear, stuff like that, pajamas. I have a little bit of activewear and the closet. Over here, I have my sweatshirts and hoodies and just some random things that I stuck kind of on the end. It's actually pretty bad. My sweaters are really bad. I've just kind of started to throw them at the top. Over here, I kind of have my neutrals, and I know I'm gonna get a comment about why do I have so many white t-shirts. I used to wear white t-shirts like every single day, and they are all different, believe it or not. I used to wear them to work a lot. Down here, I have all of my colorful, like non-neutral items. It is so stuffed. I also have all of these jeans. I worked at American Eagle for like 6 years plus. I've collected a lot of jeans from working there, and also honestly I just love jeans and I can't even fit them in there anymore, so that's why I've started a pile. Definitely need to sort through the jeans. I also have a pile of clothes here on top of this hamper. I don't know if I have shown this part in a vlog before, but it's pretty bad. It's a little embarrassing. The last part is my coat closet. It actually goes all the way back and it is so stuffed. I don't know how one person could accumulate this much outerwear. I really don't know. I have nothing to say. It's embarrassing. Now you know like what we're working with, so it is pretty bad. I think I'm gonna start off with the biggest part, which is like my main closet. Quick look through of that bottom rack in my closet. It is so stuffed, it's hard to even like scoot the clothes and really look and see what's there. I think it might be easier if I just bring the clothes out here and can really just like look through them, sort them. Really quickly, I just wanted to show you a couple phone cases that I just got from Casetify. I actually am partnering with Casetify on this video, so thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring. I already know they're gonna be so cute because I already kind of pick them out. As you guys know, I literally love Casetify. They're the only phone cases I use. They are truly the best. If you guys don't have a Casetify case, you need to get one. My mom loves them, my sister loves them, my sister's boyfriend Tanner loves them. All of my friends love them and use them. These cases are actually part of a new like winter collection. I think they're so cute. I'll show you guys like a little close up. They're great if you're wanting like a new fresh look for the winter time. As you can see, they're customizable. You can customize the strap with up to 5 charms of your choosing. You can do letters and a heart, whatever you choose. So I did like a little combo. The charms are electroplated alloy zinc and they come in 2 shades, glossy black or matte gold. And Casetify's leather is cruelty-free and biodegradable, so no animals were harmed in the making of these cases. And Casetify's cases are sent to you in 100% recyclable packaging, printed with non-toxic soy ink. I love that these cases have a strap. They're so functional and comfortable to hold because of the strap. Like, it just makes it really like convenient and easy to hold your phone. The strap also doubles as a phone stand. You can actually pull it out and use it to prop up your phone. I'm always leaning my phone up against the most random things to try to prop it up, so this is super convenient. Casetify cases are compatible with wireless charging and MagSafe technology. If you're looking for a great gift for your friend and family, Casetify is a super great gift. All of my friends and family love them. I actually do have a discount, so you can go to casetify.com/EmilyGrace for 15% off your order. That is such a good deal, and I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description, so you can click that link and go straight to the site. So once again, that is casetify.com/EmilyGrace for 15% off your order. Now back to the closet clean out. I'm just gonna take everything in sections from my closet to my room to kind of go through it a little bit easier. Pile going. Right now I'm just kind of working on the flannels and cardigans. I'm just kind of pulling everything out by sections. You're literally seeing my entire closet, like every single thing I own pretty much, because I'm taking everything out of my closet and like sorting through it. I work with clothing brands fairly often, so sometimes I will pick out a couple of the same. Sometimes I'll pick out a jacket and I'll work with another brand and pick out a jacket. And my sister is a college student. Sometimes if I'm like, oh, I literally have 3 of a very similar thing from just like working with clothing brands or them gifting me pieces. Sometimes I'll just give a few of them to my sister if I'm not really wearing them. So I'm just kind of pulling out things that I'm not really wearing that she could easily be wearing this season. It's not that I don't like it, but it's just that I am not really wearing it. Honestly, I love all of these cardigans. Like, they're all such great cardigans. I just don't wear cardigans anymore. I don't know, I just don't really wear them like I used to. I'm definitely making some pretty good progress. So I actually have some drawers under my bed where I store some more sweatshirts, believe it or not. So I actually have some more sweatshirts. So I'm just gonna go through these. I'm going through this drawer and I found a whole bunch of bralettes from when I worked at American Eagle. I bought like every single Aerie bralette and I literally cannot remember the last time I wore these. I actually was obsessed with them. I would always wear them with basic white t-shirts to work. The time in my life of wearing these has passed. It's been years since I've worn them, so I think I'm gonna get rid of these. Saved an Instagram picture of somebody wearing this the other day and I thought it was so cute. I definitely didn't realize I had one, so I'm very excited to find this. It's now time to do the coats, which I have been kind of dreading. Well, not dreading, honestly, every time I go to get a coat, it's so overwhelming. I've been kind of actually wanting to do this, but at the same time, I just feel like it's gonna be Let's just do the coats, get this done with. And then the last step is going to be the jeans. I literally love all of these coats. I know I have a problem, but like they're literally all so cute. Like which ones would you get rid of? The floor. Here's everything. There's so much. There's a lot more than I thought, to be honest. Here's everything I'm getting rid of. It's actually a lot. Like literally so much stuff. I don't know how I'm getting rid of this much, and I still have so much left in my closet, honestly. Really quickly, I just thought I would show you some of the things I'm getting rid of. They're all like really nice items. I just can't wear them. I just have so many things. I would rather somebody else be enjoying them. A lot of these will be up on my Poshmark, so if you want to shop any of these pieces, I'll have them on my Poshmark, which is Emily Grace 266. I'll have it linked below. Not everything is gonna be on there because some of them I'm gonna give to my sister or other friends, or some of them I might donate. So not all of them are actually gonna be on my Poshmark, but some of them will be. I have a lot of like Brandy Melville and American Eagle items that I bought, so those I'm gonna list on my Poshmark. I have this Topshop sweatshirt. It's really soft and cozy, but I'm not a huge v-neck person. I don't know why. I just like never really go for v-neck, so I never really choose this to wear. This sweater literally used to be my favorite. I wore it all the time when I worked at American Eagle, but I feel like there's just other sweaters that I would be more likely to choose. I haven't worn it in a couple years. I have this sweatshirt. It's so cute. Again, I don't think I wore it last winter. I just thought I would get rid of it. I feel like I have other crew necks that I am more likely to wear. This I'm gonna give to my sister because I already have another jacket similar to this. I didn't realize. And this one is like brand new. I just got it from Saks Up Fifth. And yeah, I think she would really enjoy having a jacket like this. I love my other one. The jeans, I might try on some of the jeans just to make sure they don't fit, but most of the jeans are literally just too small. They're really cute styles. They just don't fit me anymore. This is super cute, and I remember getting it in California. I went around Christmas time. I literally loved this. I like grabbed it out of the front window display. It's just very fitted, and I usually wear super oversized sweatshirts, and I feel like I have not worn this in the last couple years, so thought somebody else could be loving it. That's pretty much what I'm getting rid of. I think that is actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, my closet looks so much better and it's so much more organized. It's much easier to like sort through my clothes and just kind of like I can actually move the clothes around. Like they're not so like you literally can't move them at all. Probably doesn't look like a big difference, but I notice a difference. Like I don't have a pile of jeans and just like very disorganized piles. Like there's actually an order. Like I have the Abercrombie one, straight leg, baggy. Like it probably doesn't look that different, but I can sense the difference. Anyways, I feel like there's a big difference and I'm so glad I took the time to do this. If your closet is kind of messy or disorganized, I definitely recommend taking some time to just kind of sort through it. Find some things to get rid of. You will feel so much better. Especially with the new year coming up, it's a great thing to do to just kind of get organized before the new year. Just kind of go into the new year with a fresh, clean closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you'd like to see more closet clean outs, maybe in the next few months, like in the springtime. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring. Definitely go to casetify.com/EmilyGrace for 15% off your order. I'm gonna have that linked below at the very top of my description as well. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment the like recycling emoji because we're recycling our clothes, giving them a new home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.